It is just under $2,000 due to the compound interest.
$10,000, $8,000 was a credit that I had received that I shouldn't have.
About $17,220, give or take $1 or $2.
Big money these Ontario TurboTax customers owed in unexpected taxes and interest years after they'd all used TurboTax, a popular form of tax filing software.
Big surprise?
Very big surprise, nasty surprise, I dare say.
For Tim O'Shea of Oakville, who is not related, he'd filled out taxes for his daughter, as he does every year.
What was the trigger? How did this come to light that this money was owed to the government?
The triggering event was an audit which CRA did for 3 years worth of Ontario provincial credits.
Following the TurboTax software, Tim's daughter got $15,000 in credits. Michael Ribeiro of Mississauga did the same until an audit said he wasn't entitled.
They found that we incorrectly claimed that we were eligible for a credit for the rate relief for daycare.
Same with Cheryl Wong.
It gave us the credit because it only calculated the credit based on one income and not both of ours.
Global News is aware of as many as 100 TurboTax filers facing audits and CRA demands to pay. There could be many more. But Intuit, the company that owns TurboTax, denies it's at fault, saying in an email, "Our product is calculating the tax correctly. The accurate calculation of this credit relies on user inputs." The company lays the blame on tax filers, some of whom they say were using a mode which allowed them to decline having their information reviewed by the software before filing.
They have denied any refund with respect to the penalties that I incurred.
In its marketing, TurboTax guarantees its calculations are 100% accurate. 3 years ago, TurboTax agreed to pay $141 million in restitution after a New York State investigation into a misleading ad campaign. The company didn't admit any wrongdoing.
It was a very unfortunate surprise one day when we got the 3 letters from the CRA.
Now Canadian customers are stuck with unexpected bills, and they say TurboTax should step up.
But as it stands right now, Sean, it's just not ethically right.
Pay us for the interest that we had to pay because of a mistake on their end.
TurboTax is not offering any compensation at this point.
And they're deciding to batten down the hatches because if they pay one person like myself, they'll have to pay everybody.